To enter time on the time card, you must choose 4 things: the work date, the employee or employees for which you choose to track labor, the applicable work areas, very important, and the labor cost code you wish to apply the hours to. Let's break down each one of these choices. When choosing the work date, be advised that you have some flexibility. While you may certainly add hours 1 day at a time, and that would be your standard method, you may also add cumulative hours at once by selecting several days together. Just click and drag your mouse. Keep in mind that if you adopt this method of tracking hours worked, the production graph may not show the correct daily production depending on how you have chosen to track the percentage of work completed. However, the overall progress of the project will be correct. Next, we'll focus on the list of employees. Simply click on the cell that will select both the employee and the date of your choice. As you can see, the selected row and column will highlight in blue to help you verify your selection. You may also click and drag your mouse through several rows or columns if you would like to enter time for several days as you've seen, or even several employees at once. Be aware that the program will not allow you to choose a future date. Next, you must verify a couple of details. Remember that if your bid contains change orders, you will want to verify that you are currently focused on the correct bid view, be it the base bid or one of the change orders for the hours you intend to record. You also will want to verify that the time card options are set up to reflect the bid area where those hours took place. If you skip this step, the Budget tab will not be able to accurately calculate the true production progress. So, if you track the percent of work complete on the second floor, be sure to also choose the second floor area on the Time Card tab before proceeding to track hours. Finally, choose the cost code of the task you are tracking production hours for. Select the type of hours you are tracking, be it regular, overtime, or double time, and then you may either type in the number of hours and minutes that your crew worked, or you may choose a time from the cells drop-down list. Remember that the options available in this drop-down list were established as a part of the setup process for digital production control. After entering your time, then click the Escape key on your keyboard or click the Done Escape button if you're using a tablet when all time is entered. Once all employee time has been entered here, that time card can be posted. This process is usually done by the foreman. As you can see, after the time card has been posted, it is locked and can only then be updated by the project manager. Once the project manager receives the change file from the foreman, he or she may review the time card, make adjustments if necessary, and then ultimately approve the time card, which will be this button right up here on the right. And finally, once a time card has been approved by the project manager, it is locked and can at that point no longer be updated. One last reminder, as you move throughout digital production control, remember that you'll see the appearance of orange, green, and red in various different results. Remember that green indicates that the productivity here is higher than anticipated for that particular labor cost code. If you see orange, it means that the productivity is 5% or less over budget. And if you see red, it indicates that the productivity here is 5% over budget and the project is losing money.